Leica is about to release its professional medium format digital SLR, the S2, onto the UK market. And today we've been speaking to Leica S2 product manager, Stefan Scholz, about the new camera. Okay, can you describe the main features of the camera? What are the best parts of the camera?
The main features of the camera is a big sensor, 30 by 45 millimeter with 37.5 megapixels. So it's a digital medium format camera, and the concept is first time to make a really integrated medium format product from scratch for the digital world only. So there is not a single feature that's important, but the whole story around that and the whole philosophy inside the product is important. So this is not anymore made with lenses that were made for film and are used with a digital back. Everything is done to work in a perfect way together. Okay. And how long has it taken to develop this camera? So we started development in the spring 2007, and so it's roughly 2.5 years. This was very, very fast. Especially because we had to develop some key technologies for Leica first time. That means autofocus and also the digital imaging part. And we are very happy that we were able with our engineers to be so quick in development. That's got 37 million pixels? Yes, 37.5 million pixels. Okay. And the sensor is especially made for the S2. And you've had a lot of interest in this camera already from photographers. What have they been saying about the camera? So some photographers expected a new, let's say, 35mm DSLR from Leica. So they are a little bit lost with this camera. But others are very positive, seeing that Leica is really going a very new way, an outstanding way to come again back to the top of the professional market, in order to revitalize the brand image also, and to get a new market segment beside all the high-end non-professional market. So you think this is an important camera for Leica in terms of the respect that photographers have for the brand, and you think it's important for the company, the success of the company as well? Yes, this is a very important project for the camera. This is a new market segment, and on the one side, on the other side, it's a product that has a lot of new technologies, and this will be a platform for future products, so we can use nearly everything we have developed for this camera for future cameras in the Leica portfolio. So you think some of the technology will filter down to the lower end of the market, more enthusiast level cameras in the future? Do you think there's any potential for this technology to come down to cameras that readers of our magazine may be able to afford? There's a lot of potential to use on one side the autofocus technology we have developed, and on the other side the digital imaging technology with a special Leica Maestro processor. So this processor could be also used in cameras below this line, and all the firmware development and image processing development we did for this camera we can use for all coming products. Okay. Do you know when that will happen? Yet. Even if I would know this precisely, I'm not allowed to tell that. The responsibility at Leica is for me the S system only, and I cannot say something more what the company is doing. Target group for this camera is a commercial studio photographer who is doing shoots for fashion and for beauty mainly. Some also in the car area, emotional car shots, and it's also very good for on-location shootings because it's completely sealed against spray water and dust. And it's